If you understand this, coding becomes easy. We are going to be talking about something called a variable, and I'm going to teach it to you like you've never heard it before. So watch this carefully. A variable is just a box with a name that stores something. Wait, who put this in here? But yes, this can also be a variable. Okay, let's get into the coding. I've made it super easy for you. All you gotta do is click the link below and it's gonna open up your Python playground.
Once this opens up, highlight everything and click delete. Now that we have everything cleared out,
Let's type in name equals, in quotations, John. This means the box called name stores the value of John. Now try this. Change the value of name to equals, in quotation, Sarah. Boom! Same box, different value. And that's why it's called a variable, because it can change. Now it makes sense, right? All of the favorite games that you play, your score, your level, your coins, all variables. Let's try one together. Imagine you have a box and you put your favorite toy in. My toy's name is Jeff. Let's put Jeff inside. Now we have a box that stores the value of Jeff. You just coded.
here's a challenge. Can you create a variable named number and store the number 4 in it?
And in the next video, we're going to make your computer talk using exactly what you just learned now.
At this point, we should have a box called name with a value equal to Sarah. If you had attempted the challenge where we needed to have a box called number and add the number 4 in it. If you had it like this with the quotation marks, that would be incorrect. When the computer sees quotation marks, it treats it as a name, or in programming, we call it a string. But we'll learn more about that in the upcoming videos. But for the challenge, if you had a box named number with the value of 4, you'd be correct. Congratulations, you've passed the challenge.
So let's recap this episode on variables. A variable is just a box that can store names, numbers, and so much more. So click the link below now. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content like this.